Bro. I am so unprepared, guys. So my camera died out. I guess you can say when I was putting on the second spray, but this is pretty much how it looks. Very okay, naturalish looking. We are going to Universal today to celebrate Valentine's Day. I took my son to my mom, so she's watching him. So it's like a mommy and daddy day. And then we have reservations for dinner at 7, so we'll be back for that. This is what I'm wearing. It's gonna be like cold or chilly out there, so it's like a nice knit thing with some jeans. So this is what the back looks like. You know, okay-ish looking. Out of all the places he could have picked to eat, he decided Taco Bell. There's freaking Smash Burger, Panda, Subway, and I don't know what else, but we have arrived and it's like 11. I don't know. What time is it? 11:42. How do you feel about being here the first time?
I've been here 4 times, no 3 times for the horror nights. And the only ride that I've been on was The Simpsons. There you go. Yay.
I'll take a picture with Curious Storage. My son loves it.
2, 3. There you go.
Okay, so this is the butterbeer. His first time trying it.
It's just like root beer.
So you like it?
A little sweet, foamy.
It tastes like salted caramel.
It doesn't taste like root beer?
I've never tried root beer, so I don't know what it tastes like.
No.
You guys, let's go to the bar. Let's go to the bar. Here's a little snack, mid-afternoon snack. I also ordered these drinks. That one was originally mine, but he liked that one and I like this one better, so we traded. I'm just really excited. I got myself a little Shitzu ball. He's so cute.
What else did you get?
She looks like Tinkerbell. A minion magnet with a little teddy bear. And then we got Sebastian's toy.
So what are we gonna do next?
We're gonna drive back home.
How long?
And change and then go to our reservations at 7.
How long is the drive home?
2 hours. And it is 4:30. So let's hope we make the reservation. So we're having reservations at Jen for dinner. So fun fact, last year we waited for like almost 2 hours because we didn't make a reservation, so it was intense. And this year I made reservations. I about a week and a half ago. It was like the beginning of last week with the reservations, and we waited for like 5 minutes and then we got sat down. So reserve your tables for Valentine's Day. Right?
Right.
Lesson learned. Hey, so we are back home. We just had dinner at Jan. I got really full. Like really full. My poor boyfriend had to eat most of it because we had like a lot of meat, and I kept bringing us like the wrong meat, but that's fine. We're back home. We might go to the casino. We don't gamble, by the way, but I don't know. We're feeling spontaneous. We haven't had a night without our son in a very long time, more than a year. So we're just like, what do we do with this freedom? But yeah, but we had to come back home because we had to take out Tinkerbell, which is my dog. You guys want to meet her? Tink. She's a little crazy. Spin. Spin. Wait. Sit. Oh, hi. She needs to get groomed.